This equation confused many people. Can you solve it? Put the correct answer in the comment. Having said that, let's solve it together. 1 plus 1 will give us 2. So we have a new equation which is 18 minus 4 raised to power 2 times 2. Minus 4 raised to power 2 will give us 16. So we have 18 minus 16 times 2. 18 minus 16 will give us 2 times 2. And 2 times 2 will give us 4. This answer is not correct. According to order of operation, which is PEMDAS, P here stands for parentheses, something like that is bracket. And then E here stands for exponent, something like 2 square. And the M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, you evaluate from left to right. A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction, you evaluate from left to right. We begin with parentheses. 1 plus 1 will give us 2. So we have 18 minus 4 raised to power 2 times 2. And then minus 4 raised to power 2 here, we are not raising this one to power because it's not in bracket. So we have only 4 raised to power 2, and that gives us 16. So we have 18 minus 16 times 2. And then, according to order of operation, we solve the multiplication first. So 16 times 2 will give us minus 32. So we have 18 minus 32. And then 18 minus 32 will give us minus 14. This is the correct answer.